Hey there! Today we're going to dive into a problem that involves finding overlapping time ranges efficiently. So, imagine you have a list of time ranges represented as tuples of datetime objects, and you need to identify all the overlapping ranges within this list. The current solution you have is too slow for large datasets, and that's where we'll come in to optimize it. Let's get started. Now, let's delve into the solution provided for this problem. The first step is to create a sorted list of starting and ending points, associating each with the range it belongs to. By ordering the points numerically, we can easily track the ranges in their positions in the list. This step forms the foundation for identifying overlapping time ranges efficiently. Building on a previous explanation, the next step in the solution involves iterating through the list of events and maintaining a set of range IDs that are currently in scope. For each event, whether it's a start or end point or range, we update the set of active ranges accordingly. By keeping track of which ranges are active at any given time, we can accurately identify overlapping time ranges within the dataset. Moving on, the final part of the solution involves processing the events and determining the overlapping ranges. By iterating through the events and updating the set of active ranges, we can identify when ranges overlap and create tuples containing the indices of the overlapping ranges. This approach eliminates the need for nested loops and drastically improves the efficiency of finding overlapping time ranges within the dataset. In summary, we've explored a comprehensive solution to efficiently find overlapping time ranges within a list of datetime objects. By following these steps, you can optimize the process and handle cases where time ranges completely encompass one another. I hope you found this explanation helpful. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment below with any questions or feedback. Until next time, happy coding!